Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of electric cars with a focus on the stunning Cadillac Sollei concept car. This beauty is not just about looks, it's packed with innovative features that promise to redefine luxury and performance. So, buckle up as we explore what makes the Cadillac Sollei stand out in the electric vehicle market. A bold new design. The Cadillac Sollei is a sight to behold. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape not only looks fantastic but also improves efficiency. The design features sharp lines and a dynamic stance that make it feel futuristic yet elegant. The front grille is more than just a design element. It helps channel airflow to enhance performance. The LED headlights give it a modern edge, providing excellent visibility while adding to its striking appearance. Every detail, from the sculpted body to the unique color options, has been crafted to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. Step inside the Cadillac Sollei, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious cabin filled with cutting-edge technology. The interior is designed for comfort and elegance, using high-quality materials that make every journey feel special. The dashboard features a large touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. Voice recognition makes it easy to operate the car while keeping your hands on the wheel. One standout feature is the panoramic sunroof, which creates an open and airy atmosphere. The ambient lighting can be customized to suit your mood, adding a personal touch to your driving experience. With spacious seating and ample legroom, the Cadillac Sollei ensures that both the driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride. With these features, you can drive confidently, knowing that safety is built into every aspect of the vehicle. The future of Cadillac. The Cadillac Sollei represents a bold step forward for the brand as it embraces electric technology. This concept car not only showcases Cadillac's commitment to innovation but also its dedication to sustainability. By investing in electric vehicles, Cadillac aims to reduce its environmental impact while delivering the luxury and performance that its customers expect. As we move towards a greener future, the Sollei sets the stage for what's to come. With its blend of style, technology, and performance, it's clear that Cadillac is ready to lead the charge in the electric vehicle market. A game changer in electric vehicles. In conclusion, the Cadillac Sollei electric concept car is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and impressive performance, it stands out as a game changer in the automotive world. We can't wait to see how this concept car evolves and what it means for the future of Cadillac and electric vehicles. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in automotive technology.